Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem involving horizontal table under friction. The first thing to do is to analyze the question with diagram. A block of wood weighing 10 kilograms is placed on a horizontal table. Let's assume this is our horizontal table. A block of wood. Let's assume this is our block of wood. Don't forget that when you have horizontal table on a flat surface like this, that is horizontal, know that your weight will be acting downward and your normal reaction R will be acting upward. And weight is equal to mg when they are on horizontal surface. When an object is on horizontal surface. And don't forget that R upward force equals to downward force. R equals to W and is equals to mg. That's where you have to now multiply your mass. R equals mass 10 times 10. Acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second. It's constant. Just know that, which is 100 Newton. 100 Newton. Is that okay? And don't forget our friction, horizontal force. Horizontal force is equals to 20 Newton. And the coefficient of static friction, that's what we are looking for. And the equation that relates them together is force equals to mu R. You make mu the subject of the formula, coefficient of static friction, you divide both sides by R, divide by R, R cancel R. Coefficient of static friction equals force over normal reaction. Is that okay? It's not for normal reaction. Some people will be asking, why do we need to multiply? Why is the weight acting downward? So far it's resting. If it's resting on a body, on a flat surface, there is a weight acting on that body. It's acting downward. Always know that. Let me say you hold an object on your hand. If normally your hand is supposed to be like this, when you put an object on it, it will depress it down. That is, the weight is acting downward. The same thing is an horizontal table. It has some force that is acting on that table downward. Because if there is no weight on the table, you can carry it comfortably. But when an additional load is added on the table, it depresses, it add to the weight of the table. That means that the weight is acting downward. Now you now have coefficient of friction, which is coefficient of static friction, which is now our force is 20 divided by normal reaction 100. 0 cancels 0, 0.2. Coefficient of static friction does not have unit because Newton cancel Newton. Is that okay? This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.